Guys, 2 weeks of sweat, dedication, and a lot of sanding dust. This is what it took to breathe new life into my friend's Honda Activa. From rusted parts to dealing with cheap paint job, this Activa was begging for a second chance. Guys, when I first saw this bike, which my friend paid 15,000 rupees to restore around 2 years back, and my oh my, I was shocked to see the paint peeling off like anything. And the quality of the paint used to paint this bike was a local quality paint. Now guys, if you want to know the difference between the first quality, second quality and local quality paint products, then I have already made a video on that. I will put a link of that video in the end screen so you can later go there and watch that video as well. So in short, the painter spent around 500 rupees on the paint products and he bagged a profit of around 14,500. Can you imagine guys, when you don't have proper knowledge about auto body and painting, how a auto body painter can fool you guys so easily. So in my first week, what I did is I disassembled the bike, I repaired all the rusted parts and took out all the imperfections and dents. Guys, before restoring or painting any vehicle, let me give you advice. See that you do all the mechanical work if there is any required, like repairing the engine, the brakes or any mechanical work which is there and it needs to be done. See that you do it before the paint job, because after the paint job, if you go to do all these things, then those mechanics will not care about your paint job. They will throw the parts in such a way that they will get scratched and you are the one who will be at a loss. So to avoid that, see that you do all the repair work before starting the paint job. So once you are done with all these mechanical repairs, now you can go ahead with the auto body work. So in week 2, I started spraying the paint, which is the fun part actually. And once you get this painting process right, and once you know how to spray the paint, it is like an addiction guys. You will want to do it again and again. And once I was done spraying the base coats, clear coats and all that stuff, I allowed it to dry and then I started with my reassembly. But this journey was not only about restoring a scooter, it was a bond of friendship and satisfaction of turning a dream into reality. Now guys, if you are interested in restoring your own bike by yourself, then I have put a link in the description below. You can go there and enroll yourself. And when you enroll, you will get access to all the private videos where I share all the auto body and painting secrets which the auto body painters hate to reveal. Learn and restore your vehicle by yourself. And I will see you guys on the inside. And if you guys have any questions regarding the course, then you can comment below and let me know. From setting up the spray booth in your home garage to getting a professional looking finish, everything will be covered inside the course. And what's more, the entire project of this Honda Activa is explained step by step what you have to do on day 1, what you have to do on day 2. And if you follow it day by day, then you can complete restoring your vehicle in just 12 days. Now before you look at the finished product, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and start learning auto body and painting. And press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's see the final looks and I will see you guys in my other video.